What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Alyssa Morrison, or the Alyssa Morrison if you're new here. Today I have something that I've been waiting to share with you guys for so long. I am so freaking excited about this product and I just had to share it with you guys because I've been waiting to get my hands on this for months. Before we jump into today's video, make sure that you are subscribed by clicking that red subscribe button down below, giving this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out a lot. And last little shameless self-plug, if you guys like the jewelry that I'm wearing today, I do own my own small business called Local the Label, and I will link that below. These gold hoops are coming out very soon, so stay tuned. The product that I'm going to share with you guys today, I actually found on TikTok and I was so intrigued. It is a reparative hair mask by the brand manemethod, and I'd never heard of them before, so I wanted to kind of dive into their business and see what they were all about. So it's actually a small business started by the founder. Her name is Stella. I've actually talked to her a little bit and she is amazing and so kind. This video is not sponsored in any way, but I did reach out to her and she was kind enough to send me a mask to try, which was awesome. It is actually a solid to oil hair mask and it comes in this beautiful little tin that looks like this. It just says repair hair mask and their branding manemethod. I love the way that this packaging looks. It's so chic and it looks so good just sitting on my counter. This is what the actual product looks like. It is in a solid form and all you have to do is scoop a little bit out. Once you start rubbing it together between your fingers, also check out that self tanner, haha, very nice. It emulsifies into a liquid oil form. Can you see that? Oh, I would bathe in this if I could. It really is that good. My hair just soaks this up. Loves this stuff so much. So I have extremely dry, naturally curly hair. I also have years and years of bleach damage, and you guys, I am not exaggerating when I say that this mask has changed my hair. I used it 3 times now and the texture of my hair has completely transformed. Every time I use this, my hair feels so much softer and more pliable. It honestly just feels like real hair again. Especially like the mid shaft to the ends of my hair typically feel like Barbie hair or straw. And I know I need to cut the ends off, but I can't part with them yet. But this has absolutely changed the game. It is recommended to leave this oil overnight. I will say there was one time where I went 3 days with the oil in my hair. Is that recommended? Probably not, but I just wanted to soak in every last second of this stuff because it is absolutely gold. Main sort of highlighted ingredient in this is botana oil. I think I'm saying that right. Botana oil. And some people call this the miracle oil. I'm just gonna hop on their website and read you, how that brightness though. I'm just gonna hop on their website and read you a little bit about the ingredients. Botana oil, it contains vitamin E, which will help fight off those free radicals, which will slow down the hair loss process. It helps with hair growth. There is also a property in botana oil that helps stop water loss from your hair strands, which makes it more pliable and softer, and that's really the biggest difference that I noticed. My hair really likes oils, but I do have to be very picky with what oils I use on my hair. Coconut oil absolutely does not work for me, but this has been a saving grace. It also has castor oil in this, which is essential for hair growth. I know everybody and their mom recommends castor oil for growing out their hair, and I am definitely on a hair growth journey. It also has vanilla and sweet orange essential oil. The smell is very warm and comforting. It's very natural smelling. You're not gonna get any like heavy perfumes or anything, which I love. I really like more natural based product. It almost reminds me of those little chocolate oranges that you get at Christmas time. That sweet orange really comes out and I just love that scent. The main thing that I did also want to touch on with this product is the ability to use this as sort of a styling product. I am currently on a hair growth journey trying to get my hair as long and as healthy as possible, so I find myself doing a lot of protective styles, whether that be braids or putting my hair up loosely into a clip. I absolutely love this because you can add this to the mid-shaft ends of your hair, even into your scalp if you want to, and do like a slicked back look, and it's not going to look really gross. I tried to do certain styles in my hair when I have an oil treatment in, and it looks like I poured salad dressing on my hair. It's not a good look. But with this, my hair just soaks it up so fast and it looks amazing. It adds shine. I like to add a little bit of this throughout the week just to get that extra moisture in. I would recommend leaving this mask in overnight and then washing your hair the next day. But like I said, the longer you can leave it on, the better in my opinion. So I will go ahead and link this product down below. I'll also link the manemethod Instagram and TikTok down below. It's amazing and informative content, which I absolutely get behind. I would 110% recommend this product to anybody, not just specifically those with curly, dry hair. I think this would be beneficial for anybody, especially those of you who have color treated hair. My mom is coming to visit this weekend and I cannot wait to have her try this because she has beautiful long hair, and it's not even color processed. It's just a little bit dry. She lives in a very dry climate, so I cannot wait for her to try this. As always, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you have any questions about this product, I would love to answer them in the comments down below. Otherwise, we will just plan on seeing you next week. Bye!